I still remember simple days, Mama calling out my name, Daddy coming home so tired, still smiling through the pain. Back then I did not understand all the sacrifices made. You carried all the weight alone so I could feel safe. Now lately I've been scared inside, 'cause time keeps moving fast. I look at you and start to fear these moments will not last. Sometimes I wish I could stop time, freeze every laugh we knew, 'cause every memory means more the older I get with you. 'Cause I still need you more than words can say. I still need your voices when life brings pain. I'm afraid of losing you someday, afraid the house gets quiet and nothing feels the same. And I pray for more time beside you, more talks and memories, 'cause nobody loves me the way you do. Now every hug feels different, like my heart already knows nothing beautiful lasts forever. That's how life goes. Family pictures hit harder now, tears fill up my eyes, 'cause one day all these memories will live inside my mind. Mama taught me kindness, Daddy taught me strength. Everything I am today came from both of them. Sometimes I sit alone at night thinking about the years. Growing up has taught me love also comes with fear. The saddest part of growing up is realizing the people who protected you are growing older too. I'm afraid, 'cause one day life will change. One day I'll call your names and silence will remain. So tonight I hold every moment close, 'cause nothing in this world means more than both of you. Mama, Daddy, if I could ask for one thing, I'd ask for more time with you. One day the house may grow quiet, but until that day comes, I'll hold you close inside my heart. 'Cause no matter how old I become, I'll always need